So here's the app called Mamba Dating Meet Chat. And yeah, quite popular. Let's just open it up. So here's how it looks like. You can just search profiles, people around you. You can set up filters. You can just set up different filters. It doesn't require an upgrade. Overall, I don't know like how spammy or scammy this app is, to be honest, because there are like hundreds of apps like this, Chinese apps and so on right now, the app store. So just be quite careful. So here I'm just showing, and this is, you just need to upload a photo, but it's super fast to create an account. You don't need to spend a lot of time on it. Then you have just matches, kind of similar to Tinder. And then yeah, you have messages in here. And then you have your profile, that's like your profile in here. And then you have profile set verification, Face ID, main photo. You can delete your profile. So yeah, that's basically what it is in here. And yeah, so that's basically the idea of the app. So seems it's not too scammy. I don't know whether it's Chinese or not, but yeah, that's what it is.